So this is how to buy Algorand crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Once you guys open up Robinhood, go down to the bottom in the middle and select the magnifying glass icon. Once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol, just start typing in Algorand or ticker symbol ALGO and then select it. Once you're here where it says buy at the bottom, press that. Then in the top right, it says market order. You can then choose the order type. I will keep it at market order for this example. And then you can go ahead and type in the amount that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $3 worth for an example, you would press on 3 and then select review. Then on this page, you can review the order so you can see how much of Algorand crypto you're buying, the fees, as well as the total cost. And if this looks good to you, you can go to the bottom and you can swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Algorand crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.